Okay, so when we have this formula, we see it, it's a long formula. People forget it. It's not something that stays on your mind. It comes from the Pythagorean theorem, which we're going to learn later this year, which is tomorrow actually. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, and it comes from that, and they leave the distance. They leave the distance out. So I'm going to show you how to use the Pythagorean theorem to find distance tomorrow, and today we're using the distance formula. Okay, so if you ever get stuck and you remember there's two ways to do it, you might remember a squared plus b squared equals c squared a lot easier than this mess. All right, so when I have 2 points, let's say 6, 8, and -4, -2, and I want to know the distance between them in units. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is name this guy, like we did yesterday, x1, y1. What's the second guy's name? x2, y2. And I do that at the beginning because a lot of people will pick up the wrong numbers in the parentheses and you'll get the wrong answer. So I would take that step and it won't hurt you. So now we have difference of the x's. So we have 6 minus -4 squared plus 8 minus -2 squared, and we're going to square root it. So in your calculators, I want you to type in the guts of the square root first. Don't put the square root in your calculator. Just put the guts and tell me what you get.